Blood banks follow a certain process to evaluate a potential donor. This includes screening and testing the blood to ensure that it is safe for the recipient. The blood bank checks the blood type, screens the blood for any diseases, and repeats that process to account for errors before declaring it good to go. Blood typing is very important since individuals may be incompatible with the donor's blood, which can be fatal if transfused. An average person's blood type would typically be classified under the ABO group system. Blood type A can only receive from other A donors having antibodies for type B blood. A blood type B patient can only receive from type B donors since they have antibodies for type A blood. But there are certain people who may have the AB blood type and can receive both A and B blood, since it recognizes both of them and has no antibodies for either. On the other hand, type O blood has no antigens and can be received by any person with any blood type.
Once blood is received from a donor, blood bank technicians perform another process called cross-matching, which ensures that the donor's blood is compatible with the patient's. The blood of both parties is blood typed. Then, in a test tube, the blood of both the patient and the donor is mixed. If unexpected antigens and antibodies are present, then the blood will coagulate and transfusion will not take place. If the mixed blood does not clump and coagulate, the transfusion will be safe. In general, blood is stored at blood banks until needed. When blood is requested, the hospital sends information to the blood bank about the recipient, which includes his or her medical history, blood components needed, and the hospital's location. The blood bank then finds the appropriate blood.
The San Diego Blood Bank ensures that its blood is processed accurately. Blood components are properly labeled indicating the blood type, the expiration date, and a specific unique barcode. If the unit of blood has been designated to a specific patient, the name and birth date of that patient will also be printed with the unit. If the patient is admitted into a hospital, he or she will be labeled with a wristband containing his or her blood type and a barcode that corresponds to their designated unit of blood. Immediately before the blood is given to a patient, the information is reviewed simultaneously by two parties, whether it be a lab technician, nurse, or doctor. They view the information on their computer database, the label with the unit of blood, and the request slip. One of them will read all the information out loud from all three sources while the other reads quietly along. Double-checking the information like this has ensured that no avoidable mistakes are made. Inaccurate transfusions can cost someone's life. Therefore, precise information is critical.
Finally, when all is safe, the blood will be transfused to the patient and he or she will live to see another day.